Everyone, welcome back in Dart Programming video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about set. So set we use in Python, Django and various programming language. So here let's see how we can work with set. Set and month. Here I'm going to use Jan, Feb and March, then April, and that's it. If we run here a for loop for and var month in months, and here print out month, save, run, and yeah, we have to pass here semicolon. Okay, now run, and it's coming here. We have here our set, and it's very easy and simple. If I pass here an integer value and one float value, let's say 99.99, save, and let's run. It's working as well. In set we can define a multiple type of values, even in list as well, until we not define here the type. Or so that's for set. It's very similar to list, and even we can pass here key values here as well. So we will use all these list, set and map in upcoming our Flutter tutorial series. So that's for this tutorial. See you next one.